How was the weekend? Good morning, Mona. How are you today? Good morning, Nancy. I am all right. How are you? Pretty good. Did you have a nice weekend? Not bad. I went to the movie on Saturday night. Oh yeah? What did you see there? I saw the Pushpa movie. Did you like it? Yeah. It was good. How was your weekend? It was good. I went shopping. Oh yeah? What did you buy? Nothing much. I bought some clothes for the kids. Then I bought a red dress for me. And I bought sunglasses for my husband. After shopping I went to the new restaurant in RG Road. Good. How was the food there? The food was really delicious. I loved it. And the service was also excellent. That's great. By the way, where is the restaurant? I want to try its food. Yeah. Of course. The restaurant is next to the post office in RG Road. Thanks for your help. You are welcome. Now, I need to take Sam to the dentist. Bye. Nice talking to you. Bye. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video, please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.